Today's featured car of the day is a 1972 Buick GS Stage 1 in triple black. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one's a rare bird. They only made 81 Stage 1 convertibles in 1972. And out of that, 66 of them had the Turbo 400 automatic transmission. So this guy is one of 66 made in 1972. Also, it's a special order car because the only way you can get bucket seats in a convertible Stage 1 was to special order the car. Otherwise, they all came with a bench seat in 1971 and in 1972. 1970 was the only year you can get bucket seats in the convertible on a Stage 1. And as far as the numbers go, total GS production for 1972 was 8,575 cars. And out of that, you had 5,896 hardtops of the GS350 and 1,099 on the GS455. And Stage 1s, you had 728. That was in the hardtops. When you get to the convertibles, you had 645 GS350 convertibles, 126 GS455 convertibles, and then 81 Stage 1 convertibles. And like I said, this one is a Turbo 400 automatic transmission, so that was 66 of those made. So this guy is one of 66 made and special ordered with the bucket seats, so it's a super rare bird. And for you Buick guys, I'm sure you've already spotted it by now, but yes, that is a 1971 rear bumper. But they are interchangeable, 1970, 71, and 1972. So the pads are missing from around the taillights, which should be there on a 72 bumper. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1972 Buick GS Stage 1 convertible with the automatic transmission, one of 66 made, and special ordered with the bucket seats. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.